Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video. This week I'm going to be showing you how I built this cool modern planter. So my buddy Steven just moved into a house a couple months ago, and he's been renovating it and painting and doing a few upgrades here and there, but now it's time to start furnishing it. So one of the things that we thought would be cool to build for his house was a kind of more modern style planter that could go in a corner of the house. So I popped up in Fusion 360 and I made some plans and I got to building. So first I started off by drawing up some plans in Fusion 360. And then I went to work and I started cutting the sides and the bottom for the top box of the planter. Then I assembled the box using a corner clamp to hold the glued joint together while using a brad nailer to secure it in place. Next, I had to cut out my legs, and to do that, first I cut two 32-inch lengths of my 2x2 lumber, and then I had to start trimming off the ends at specific angles so that they would fit together to form my A's. To assemble my legs, I also just used some wood glue and some brad nails to hold it together. For the top planter box, I wanted to replicate a burnt look that I had created on another project of mine, a side table that I built. I'll have that linked in the description below if you want to check it out. But I really liked the look of that, so I wanted to recreate that on this box and also on the slats for the bottom shelf. If you guys enjoyed the video so far, make sure to go click that subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on new videos like it every single week. So the original plan was to paint the legs with some flat black spray paint, but I didn't like the way that turned out, especially after spraying down the lacquer on it. So what I actually ended up doing was spraying them with some gloss black spray paint after they had been sealed by the lacquer. So the finish I'm spraying is a water-based pre-catalyzed lacquer that I actually picked up from my local woodworking store, and I'm spraying it with my Wagner spray station, which I've quickly come to love. This thing is awesome. It leaves a great surface finish, and when I'm done with the project, it is super easy to clean. All I had to do is attach my slats, and this thing was done. And that is it for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed building this project, and it's gonna look great in my friend's house. The B-roll you saw was of it just in my room. I haven't had time to deliver it yet, but I hope you guys enjoyed it, and maybe you got some ideas and want to build something like it. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, make sure to go click up here, and if you guys want to subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss out on new videos just like this one, make sure to go click down here, and I will see you guys in next week's video.